Anyway, and welcome back to the channel. So, I have some leftover cilantro and parsley, and I'm just like, I'm not using it fast enough to do anything with it. So, let me show you what I'm going to do. Let's see here. We got that right there, and I'm just going to leave it all. Just, whole like that. I'm not going to cut the stems off or anything. Let me get some parchment paper. I don't need a whole lot. I'm going to put it right here on this pan. And I've got my oven heated at 180. Because I don't want them to burn. I just want them to dehydrate. So that then I can grind it up when it's done, dehydrate and it dried and everything. Oh, I might need the bigger pan. We'll just stick this all on here and we'll see how it goes. And it depends on what you're dehydrating and everything, how long it's going to take. I'd say this would be a couple hours. I mean, and what I'm doing now is just taking off the extra stems, because this is more than I thought it was. So maybe I'll do that here with some of them. You just spread it out on your cookie sheet. And as it dries up, they'll have more room on here. But I want to get all this on here. And even if you have an onion you want to dehydrate, you can add that. You can add that also on here. Let me do that. I'll cut some of this onion and put it on there. And that way, they all dehydrate together. And there we go. So when it's done, in about an hour, I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. In the oven it goes. See y'all in a little bit. Okay, so I did a bit longer, maybe a couple of hours instead of an hour, because the onions were having a hard time. Well, it took a little bit longer for the onions. So this is what I have. And some onions did dehydrate really good. Some of them did not. These I'll just set to the side and use like maybe in a fermentation or pickling cucumbers or something like that. So here it's all dry, as you can tell. And I'm gonna use my other jars, but here's a mason jar. And all you do, you can do it with your hands. You can put it in a blender. It's all nice and dried. And then you can add it into your dishes. You can even take this, if you don't want the stems in there no more, you just take those out. Like that. And then you have your dehydrated parsley and cilantro. That way you can just add it to shakes. If you want to add it to a hamburger or a salad, you can make a salad dressing with this now. I'm trying not to lose it. There's the cilantro. Get all this off the stems. And we're going to put it into the jar. And break up these dehydrated onions. Like this. I get as much stems out. So when I go to put it in the jar, then you can just add the stems back into the jar too. And there we go. And just take it like this. That's a good thing about having on parchment paper. So when you go to transfer it into the jar, it goes just like this. Like I said, if you want more of a powder, just stick it into your blender, and then it'll be more of a powder. And especially if it's a smoothie, I think it'll look really good doing it that way. And so you can just break these up, put those in there. And you just take the stems and throw them away. I don't like wasting. I'm just going to stick it right on. And there we go. The dehydrated parsley and cilantro and onion, and you have your own little mix. So thank y'all for being here. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. And we love y'all. See you next time.